Hello dear hungry folks, the tender chicken we're about to prepare is coated with a sweet and tangy lemon sauce. It provides a perfectly balanced and delightful flavor profile. It's truly a delicious take on Asian-style chicken nuggets. Although turkey would probably taste good too, you'll find the exact measurements and ingredients. As usual in the info box, we cut the meat into cubes and then put it in a bowl. We grate the zest of half an untreated lemon zest over it. Yes, you can see just half here, we'll need the other half later. We add soy sauce to it. We add finely chopped garlic seasoned generously with black pepper and add a touch more spice, more sparingly with salt. Then mix everything thoroughly together, it's easy with 2 spoons. Allow the meat to marinate for a full 20 minutes, making sure each piece absorbs the rich flavors. Meanwhile, we prepare everything for breading, so we set up flour, beaten egg, and Panko breadcrumbs. That is, this Asian breadcrumb variant placed on separate plates, and now we bread the marinated meat pieces. And remember, one hand for the dry ingredients, the other for the egg. Otherwise, your hand will quickly get breaded too, and we proceed this way with all the meat pieces. Once they're all breaded, we add frying oil into a pot and heat it optimally to a temperature of about 340 F if you lack a thermometer for it. You probably know this trick, put a wooden stick in, and when bubbles rise like this, we've reached the right temperature and can now carefully place the breaded meat in the hot sizzling oil. They should stay in for about 3 to 4 minutes, cooking thoroughly until they are nicely golden brown. Maybe turn them over, then take them out and the oil. Certainly refill it until every piece of the meat is completely fried. Then we let them drain off the extra fat on a plate, kitchen paper, and now we prepare the sauce by pouring into a pan. Chicken broth, the second half of the grated lemon peel goes into it. We pour in the lemon juice, add some sugar, and you can use a low-calorie option like birch sugar or regular sugar here. Stir everything together. The sauce can already simmer slightly, and we now add corn flour. Alternatively, you can use other flour types. Mix water thoroughly, then combine both using a small fork, and carefully stir the mixture into the sauce. Of course, let it briefly boil to thicken a bit. Then we gently add the crispy fried chicken pieces, carefully coating them in the rich, flavorful sauce until they are fully covered and glistening. And that's it. We take them out and serve them. I have rice on the side which pairs perfectly with it, and as a suggestion, carefully slice a fresh spring onion into thin, delicate rings, sprinkle generously on top, and finish with a delightful dash of sesame seeds. This dish is delicious and full of flavor, originating in China, but now loved everywhere globally. Absolutely delectable. I highly recommend it. Enjoy the preparation and bon appetit. See you next time. Bye bye, and take care.